How to turn off dark mode in YouTube, Android, and iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can turn off the dark mode in YouTube. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So go ahead and open up YouTube. And once you open it up, head over to the bottom right corner and open up your profile. And go to settings on the top right corner. Once it is opened up, once you're on the general, you'll be finding option called appearance. Go ahead and tap on it. And if your phone is on the dark mode, in order to change it to light mode, in order to turn it off, tap on appearance and select the light theme. And once that is done, it turns off the dark mode in your YouTube, even if you're on your Android or your iPhone. So that is how you turn off the dark mode in YouTube on your Android or iPhone. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.